Hello, I'm Willow. Welcome to the Botanic Garden at Georgia Southern University. Look at all of these plants that we have here with us today. Aren't they beautiful? All of these plants have roots. Even though these roots look very different, all roots share two very important jobs. First, roots help steady our plant in the soil. This will keep the plant nice and strong so it doesn't blow away in the wind. Second, roots help absorb water. That means soak up like a sponge. This water will be used later when our plant makes its own food. Today, our legs are going to be our roots. So I want to see you plant your roots down into the soil. These roots are really important because they keep our plant nice and strong. But what would happen if we didn't have these roots? Let's find out. I want you to stand on one foot, and we're gonna see if we can balance our plant. Oh no! Are you balancing? What would happen if a big gust of wind came? Woo! Our plant might fall over. So it's very important that these roots help hold our plant in place. Let me see those roots. Isn't that much easier? Our roots are also important because they help absorb water. Absorb means soak up like a big sponge. Let me see you stretch your roots out. Ready? We're gonna soak up all of that water. Let me see. And once we soak up that water, our roots will send all of the water to our stem. There is one other fascinating fact about roots. Did you know that we can eat some roots? Some root vegetables, like carrots, are really delicious and super good for you and come from the root part of a plant. So remember, no matter how different they may look, roots are an important part of plants, just like stems. The stem is usually the first part of the plant that we see as it shoots out of the soil when the plant is ready to start growing. Stems have three very important jobs for our plant. The stem is like a big drinking straw. On the way up, it carries water from the roots to the tippy top of the plant. We can remember that by saying, water up, water up, water up. The second job is that when the food is ready, the stem will carry it down to the rest of the plant parts. We can remember that by saying, food down, food down, food down. The third job of the stem is to keep our plant nice and tall and standing upright because it doesn't have any bones or muscles like we do. Did you know stems come in many different sizes and they don't all look the same? Look at this live oak. Its stem is huge. I can't even get my arms around it. Some stems like this one are really big and woody. Others, like this ginger, are green and flexible. That means that they bend easily. This may be your favorite stem. Fun fact, potatoes are a type of stem we can eat. I challenge you to find out other types of stems that you can eat. Now it's time to stand on up. So get out of your chair, out of your desk, and we're going to review the important jobs of a stem. Job number 1, the stem carries water from the roots all the way up. Say it with me, water up, water up, water up. Job number 2, the stem carries food down the plant. Say it with me, food down, food down, food down. The third job is that our stem holds our plant up. Hold it up with me. Oh, let me see you hold it. Hold it up. And finally, there are some stems that we can eat. Eat them up. Num, 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 num. Now let's put it all together to remember the importance of stems. Come on, do it with me. Water up, water up, water up. Food down, food down, food down. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. And sometimes we eat, eat, eat them. Eat, eat, eat them. Eat, eat, eat them. Thanks for joining me here in the garden today. For more information on plant parts, visit our other lessons online. See you next time.